How to create a transparent video. Let's begin. I used Adobe After Effects. I have already a logo animation and it is in the transparent background. To check, you must toggle on and off to toggle transparency grid. And if you toggle transparency grid on to reveal the transparency until your background is black or any other solid color or background, you must check your layers. You may hide that layer or simply delete it. When you're done, to render the project, go to File, Export, then add to render queue. In the render setting, leave all in the default settings. In Output module, change the format into QuickTime. If you didn't see QuickTime, you must install the QuickTime player first. In Video Output, change it into RGB plus Alpha. Plus Alpha means to include its transparency. And in Format Options, it should be in Animation. Then click OK. Set the output in your preferred location directory. Click OK and then render it out. You can now use it in any of your projects. There you have it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click notification bell for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.